Hey folks, a lot of clouds moving in, but we look at radar, not much in the way of rain. I think we'll see a chance tomorrow morning, late tonight or early tomorrow morning, but for the most part, the evening should be quiet. Can we rule out a passing sprinkler or two? No, but I think for the most part, it is a dry evening and a dry night, despite all the clouds that have kind of moved into our valley skies during the second half of the day. And they'll be with us much of the night, but it's early in the morning when the front comes through, gives us our best chance for a shower, and even that, about 20 to 30%, not much more than that. There you see the front in the valley by dawn and pushes on through pretty quickly. You didn't see a whole lot of green show up on there because we don't expect a lot in the way of rain, but there could be the best chance probably in the coastal counties, 6 to 7 a.m., something like that, give or take an hour or two. But by afternoon, we're back to sunshine. It's a breezy and much cooler day across the area. Friday starts chilly in the morning, temperatures in the 50s, and Friday afternoon, sunshine, we warm back up, and Saturday, plenty of sunshine again. Looks like some really nice days behind this front. By Sunday, the wind's back out of the southeast. We warm it back up a little bit again. But in the meantime, our chance of rain tomorrow, 30%, but we're talking before the sun comes up, maybe lingering through dawn right at the coast, and then we dry out after that. So really during the daytime hours should be rain free tomorrow. Same thing for Friday and Saturday. Another front kind of sags into the area on Sunday. Doesn't amount to a lot, but could trigger an isolated shower or a thunderstorm. And then middle of next week, another front comes in on Tuesday. At this point, that looks like it should be dry. Here's where temperatures are right now. McAllen's still at 91, 85 in Harlingen, 83 in Weslaco. Overnight, we bottom out in the upper 60s and low 70s. You'll be in the 70s till the front gets here, and then we'll drop off a few degrees right behind it. And then tomorrow, we just don't warm up much. Mid-70s, that's it, with a north wind at 12 to 22 miles an hour, so a relatively breezy day as well. Temperature-wise, the normal now is at 84. We'll be 76 tomorrow, a little bit warmer, but not much on Friday. The weekend, we go back up into the 80s. We're above normal Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, back below average once again. Here's our front, 64 now in Austin, 48 in Abilene, 55 in Dallas. Other side of the front, 75 in Longview. Big time thunderstorms in Houston, 73 there now. And then there's our 91. So look at the contrast from here to Dalhart, 91 degrees to 44 degrees. It's a big state. Dalhart's a long way away. Front went through there a long time ago. Look at the rain pushing across the state. And again, big time thunderstorms well ahead of it. The front just went through Austin and San Antonio. It's still back here, but some of the storms firing up well ahead of it. That has prompted a big tornado watch for east and southeast Texas, really all the way up into Arkansas as well. We've had a number of tornado warnings in parts of southeast Texas today, and we've got, let's see if there's anything at the moment, a severe thunderstorm warning, Giddings over to Brenham, but no other tornado warnings at the moment. We had one out near Sealy and Katy earlier today, but that has since expired. Of course, the front continues pushing south and eastward, continues to trigger severe weather as it does. For us, though, all the energy, all the support in the upper atmosphere for the severe weather stays to the north of us. So again, maybe a passing shower here with the front just before the sun comes up. And then we're clear through the weekend, and the next chance of rain will come not Friday, not Saturday, but Sunday when this next front pushes southward. That could trigger an isolated thunderstorm on Sunday late in the day. Tropics, we're still watching Oscar kind of disappearing out into the North Atlantic. So for us, for tonight, 67 for a low, mainly cloudy, a late thunder shower, and by late we mean well after midnight. And we're only looking at about a 20 to 30% chance, and the best chance right at the coast. Then tomorrow, clouds early, but then the sun comes out. It's a much cooler day, only 76 for a high. Northwest winds about 12 to 22. A couple of days in the 70s, and then a bunch of days in the 80s. Of course, this weekend's the weekend you set your clock back. Don't forget that. Isolated thunderstorm possible on Sunday, then next week in the 80s all week long. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.